Go.
Chug, chug, chug. Shut up. Look at Hannah's hair in the background. So like messed up.
Why should I be so stupid? I don't understand women.
Are you done?
Why?
That was a great finale.
I'm sorry, do better than that.
Okay, I'm turning it off.